Okay, let's check out this roof now. Nice and clean. Every inch is clean to perfection. And you get a 2-year warranty on that, guys, okay? So check out that roof now. Nice and clean. We don't leave until it's done right. 2-year warranty. We cover all of South Florida, all the communities. We also offer gated community HOA discounts where we can go through one end of the community to the other end of the community and give you a good discount on all the properties. So 561-907-9541. When you want it done right, you want it done nice and clean with no cracked tiles, no excuses, no damage, no leaks, you call Under Pressure Power Wash. 561-907-9541. 30 years experience. Licensed and insured. Have a great day.